Hi, I'm Nate, founder of Evercycle. Every year, over 60 million tons of electronic waste are generated globally. Businesses around the globe have 2 billion devices deployed right now, yet less than 10% of those devices will be properly tracked and circulated for reuse or recycling. 1.8 billion of those devices that are currently deployed that will end up just sitting around or in landfills. The problem isn't that businesses don't want to solve this. In fact, they're desperately seeking solutions to get more ROI out of their existing devices. And the problem isn't that devices can't be refurbished or recycled. The problem is that lifecycle decisions are still manual, fragmented, and inconsistent. Therefore, virtually impossible for any large organization to do something about it. Evercycle is an AI-powered lifecycle orchestration platform that automates what happens before and after a device is in use, including deployment, replacement, retrieval, refurbishment routing, redeployment, resell, and certified recycling. We integrate at the systems layer using APIs to analyze device age, condition, cost, thresholds, and logistics variables, then automatically route each device to the highest value circular outcome. That means more devices get repaired, more devices are refurbished, more materials are recovered, and fewer new devices are manufactured prematurely. We are commercially deployed today with enterprise customers and IT asset disposition partners, managing thousands of devices through automated circular workflows. At Amazon scale, even small improvements in these areas can translate into significant carbon avoidance. We're applying to validate integration pathways with Amazon's logistics and refurbishment infrastructure, and to demonstrate how AI-driven lifecycle orchestration can help Amazon further scale closed-loop device circularity for organizations. Our goal is simple: turn circular intent into automated, measurable execution at a global scale.